60 seconds if Femi correct Pidgin Yanis now what they do on this morning. We won't look waiting happen yesterday between Liverpool and Arsenal. When Liverpool beat Arsenal like small children when they send go message, they call us the change for road. And we don't they look that game where with our clear eye. We don't they ask what thing happen? What thing do Arsenal players? Why they just they fall up and down? Why they just they fall for ground? What thing happen? They no chop, they no fit stand. Some people don't they talk say even their coach Emery, aka Emery, say it be like say that man Arsene Wenger will just go do here. It be like say that man Arsene Wenger will fair we call red because you know they do like different coaching. They do like say Arsene Wenger still there now. I want ask. Say what happened yesterday. Now say Arsenal no listen to their coach. I be say Arsenal players they no been start well because you look when Guendouzi and some other guys when they come inside the match things can't change. Now say the coach no use better starting 11 start the match. I be the players they no listen to their coach when they give them instruction before match start. I wonder what happened yesterday.